There is a lot that you can do with OBS, especially when you're using third-party extensions, tools, and plugins. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can add alerts to your OBS Studio installation to have them pop up every time you're streaming or recording. So adding alerts to OBS is a rather simple thing, but what you do have to do is head over to Stream Elements first to sign up for this website. You can click the login button in the top right corner, and this will give you 4 options now. So you can connect with Twitch, YouTube, Trovo, or Twitter. I am going to use it for YouTube, but the process is largely the same for other platforms as well. Go ahead, it will ask you to log in with your Google or your Twitch account, whatever the case might be. In my case, it's going to be my Google account. Just make sure to give it all the permissions it needs. If you try and skimp on permissions, sometimes it just doesn't work. Alright, so the next thing that we have to do now is in this window, we're going to click on Streaming Tools, and then we're going to go to Overlays. Now, you need to create a new overlay by clicking this button, or you can edit an existing one. This is just a test overlay, so I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to start with a new overlay. We'll give this some time to load. Overlay resolution should be the same as your stream resolution, ideally speaking. So I'm just going to leave it at 1080p and then click on start. Let's give our overlay a name first. So test YT overlay, sure. And now we are going to create alerts by adding these widgets. So just click on add widget, and as you can see, there are a bunch of things here. You can have labels, you can have alerts, countdown timers, merchandise goals, static and custom text box, image boxes, and so on and so forth. You can even create your custom widgets with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript if you want. But we're just going to create a simple alert box. Alright, so as you can see now, we have quite a lot of different alerts here. So we have subscriber alerts, member alert, super chat, tip, and purchase. And you can individually customize all of these alerts by clicking this settings gear icon. So now, as you can see, this is the default overlay, or sort of the default alert that is here. So if I go down to emulate and I click on subscriber event, you can see that this appears like this. I don't want to use this, so you can either set an image or set a video for this. In this case, this is using a video. Just go ahead and click on change video, and now you can either upload your custom videos, or you can just review your existing library across all of these. So I don't really have anything uploaded at the moment, so you can go ahead and upload your custom videos, your custom photos, whatever it is that you want. Of course, that applies to the sound as well, so you can click this upload sound button to do that. And then there are several other settings for text. So for example, you can enable custom fonts. So let me just quickly change this to Railway if they have it. Yeah. Railway, font size, line height, letter spacing, bold, and everything else, text strokes, colors, it's all there. And then you have this advanced settings where you can set margin. So if you end up importing a video that has a specific place where you want to put the text, you can edit these values to make sure that your text is where it's supposed to be. And then of course, these are the highlight. So I can change this to bounce, and if I emulate my subscriber event now, the text appears differently. Alright, so that is pretty much it when it comes to creating the basics of an alert in Streamlabs. Now what we are going to do is we're just going to save this first up, and then if you notice, there is a small copy overlay URL button here. Just click on it to copy your overlay URL to your clipboard, and now we're going to head over to OBS. Yes, launch anyway, please. Alright, in your OBS, you can have whatever sources you want. Just make sure that you go and select the browser source. Just click on this plus icon to open this menu. Head over to browser. I'm just going to call it alert. You can call it whatever you want, and then click OK. Now in here, we're going to replace the URL with the the URL that we just copied, and we're going to leave all of the settings untouched. Click OK, and now you will see that your stream box has sort of appeared here. And that is pretty much it. So now if I enable my display capture that sits underneath it, and let's say I click the emulate button. So I'm just going to lock this here. If I go to emulate and I can't access that. Yeah. If I go to emulate and I click on a subscriber event, as you can see, it appears right there on my stream. Let me divide these into two so you get a better view of what I'm talking about. Alright, so now you can modify this according to your needs, resize the box by pressing and holding Alt. So when you emulate a subscriber event, this is how it appears. Cropped it a bit too much there. And yeah, and then you can place it wherever you want on your stream. For example, I can just have it right in the center of the screen on top of whatever it is that I'm doing. And every time I get a subscriber or a tip or anything of the sort that I can create inside of stream elements, this will appear on my YouTube stream or even a screen recording if that's what you're doing. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create alerts in OBS. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we will see you in the next video.